Hello, good evening. This is my laboratory 3, which is to create a video tutorial on how to create a simple network using Cisco Packet Tracer. This would be the task for this video, and I'll be doing that. Na-open ko na po, and then yung part na gagawin ko, which is the basic PC, and then one switch. Two PCs and then one switch. Sorry ma'am, wait lang ma'am, malabo yung mata ko eh. PC1, PC0, and then switch. One switch. Saan yung switch? Ano yung tsura ng switch? Look into your eyes, so far away. Ayun. Ito kasi si mami. Sorry ma'am, hindi ko pa kabisado yung IDE ng Cisco Packet. And then, let's proceed. And then, yung gagawin natin is eto. Then, another one. Yan. Yan yung pinaka-basic. And then, para ma-set up natin is punta tayo doon sa desktop. And then IP config, and then you're gonna put the IP address, which is 192.168.1.1. Yan. Natututo na ako ma'am. And then for the second, which is i-up lang natin by 1 yung sa binary niya. Magiging 192.168.1.2. Yan. Okay? Gets mo mga and then, para makita if totally connected na siya to each other, we're gonna ping. Magbibigay tayo ng signal. The two computer must have unique IP addresses but belong to the same network range so they can communicate. So, yun po yung pinaka purpose ng switch natin para makapag-communicate yung PC0 to PC1. And then, para ma-ping natin is magko-command tayo dun sa command prompt, which is ganito. Ping 192.168.1.2. Yan. Preparing to ping, replying, yan. Tingnan natin. Ang expected result natin dapat is, yan, same. And then, explain the simulation mode. Cisco Packet Tracer also provide a simulation mode where we can observe how data packet travel across the internet. In conclusion, to conclude, we successfully created a simple network Cisco Packet Tracer. We added devices, connected them using cables, configure IP addresses, and verified communication using the ping command. Thank you, ma'am. That's it. That's the basic lang, ma'am.